Welcome back. Crypto goes mainstream. The Commodities Futures Trading Commission announcing the launch of the first government-supervised crypto trading platform. It allows Americans to instantly buy, sell, and finance digital assets. Fox Business's Darren Botelho live in Washington with all the details. Darren, good morning to you.
Hi, good morning, Maria. Of course, right now, as we all know, you can buy and sell crypto online already, but this is the first time, like you said, a spot trading platform is getting the full backing of the federal government. So why does this even matter to investors that the CFTC is backing this new Bitnomial platform? These other platforms are legally operating, but here's the catch, Maria. They're often called the Wild West. Basically, it's buyer beware. We've seen this with the collapse of FTX and customers eventually losing out on huge profits they would have had. Their money stayed safe in the market, they would have had it. Now with this Bitnomial platform, there are stricter standards for transparency, security, and consumer protection to prevent an FTX-style collapse. We spoke exclusively with acting CFTC Chairman Caroline Pham ahead of this new platform going live.
Not only do we want Americans to come back home and to be trading here where they know that they have the protections that they deserve, but again, that means that American companies that are involved in the crypto industry, they're going to want to build here, they're going to want to invest here, they're going to want to hire here. So this is overall a net benefit to the economy.
And Bitnomial tells us ahead of their announcement, the actual launch of the platform is set for next week. Maria?
All right, Darren, thank you. Darren Botelho, what do you think about that, John?
Well, it's nice to have regulation in this market, but let's not forget that this is a very volatile asset in terms of valuation. That's what consumers have to be aware of. There are going to be times when you're going to have some dramatic increases, and people are going to love that who are holding crypto, and maybe more will get drawn into it, but there will also be a downside where the value of this asset drops sharply very quickly.
Yeah, oftentimes you learn that lesson when you lose money.
Right.
Mac.
Well, I also think it's interesting because for many years, Washington warned us that this was the wild, wild west and we shouldn't be in crypto. And I like that there's going to be rules and regulations, but also there's a platform now. So in the future, I look at this as other stocks and other exchanges. I think they're going to be interchangeable. I also find it interesting that the SEC isn't in charge of this, that there's a shift to a different platform.
Well, I spoke with Paul Atkins about it earlier this week, and I think he's looking at it as if the SEC is working together with the CFTC. But certainly he is looking to enable an easier access for digital assets.
Yes, and I think there'll be consumer confidence when you know that there's some rules and regulations so that we're not just out there in the wilderness trying to figure out what's right, what's wrong. And when you are doing these types of exchanges, am I really investing in something that's a real platform, or am I just giving my money away because fraud is so rampant these days?